In the mid-17th century, the Deccan Plateau bore witness to an architectural ambition of unparalleled proportions. Under the patronage of Sultan Muhammad Adil Shah, the seventh ruler of the Adil Shahi dynasty, construction commenced on a mausoleum intended to surpass all ancestral monuments in sheer scale and structural audacity. Completed in 1656, the Gol Gumbad stands today not merely as a sepulchre, but as a profound testament to the aesthetic and engineering sophistication of the Bijapur Sultanate. Its somber grey basalt exterior exudes a sense of permanence, anchoring the history of Vijayapura within its formidable walls. Upon entering the primary chamber, one is confronted by a vast, uninterrupted expanse, one of the largest single-chambered volumes ever conceived. The architectural genius lies in the transition from a square base to a circular crown. This was achieved through a complex system of 8 intersecting arches, which distribute the immense load of the celestial dome without the requirement of internal pillars. The dome itself, spanning approximately 44 meters in diameter, remains a marvel of medieval masonry. This structural integrity represents a pinnacle of Indo-Islamic engineering, where mathematical precision meets monumental vision. Elevated 33 meters above the floor lies the Whispering Gallery, a narrow passage encircling the interior base of the dome. This gallery is world-renowned for its extraordinary acoustic properties. Due to the perfect curvature of the masonry, a low-frequency vocalization, even a faint whisper, is transmitted with startling clarity across the diameter of the hall. Furthermore, the chamber exhibits a unique reverberation characteristic. A singular percussive sound can echo up to 11 times. This auditory phenomenon is not merely a curiosity but a demonstration of how the physics of sound can be harnessed to create an immersive, ethereal atmosphere. At the heart of this resonant void lies a raised podium housing the cenotaphs of the Sultan, his wives, and his family. While these ornate markers serve as public tributes, the actual remains are interred in a subterranean vault directly beneath, shielded from the cacophony of the world above. The Gol Gumbad serves as a poignant intersection of power and mortality. It is a structure that commands silence while simultaneously amplifying the slightest breath, a lasting monument to a dynasty that sought to immortalize its legacy through the enduring language of stone and symmetry.